Good morning, Lillie. Hello. Yes. Lillie is 8 weeks, almost 9 weeks. Yeah. It is probably 6:30 in the morning. Morning time is when she's happiest. Do you want to talk? Say some more stuff. Hi. What are you doing? The ceiling fan. It's her best friend. I don't know what the fascination is, because we haven't even turned it on. I mean, the light's on, but the fan itself we haven't turned on. Let me do that and see if she has a reaction. You ready? Oh, it just gets more amazing, huh? Oh my goodness, it's spinning. Is that unbelievable or what? Right. Last night Lillie woke up she went to bed at 7, woke up at 1, went to sleep, and then woke up at 4, went to sleep again, woke up at 5, and then went to sleep and woke up at 6. I was really pushing for some sleep last night. She did pretty good. It's amazing. All right. Love you. Can I get a smile? What a smile. Bye.